Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and before we start this video I want to ask you to subscribe to stay updated on our latest, greatest, most awesome content on the space of YouTube. Let's get cracking with this video! Alright! So, it's pretty warm, it's pretty hot, it's summer, you need to cool down a little bit. You can do this with the Arctic Air, the quick and easy way to stay cool. Runs up to 8 hours per fill. You need to fill this with water. Personal space cooler, enjoy cool, clean air anywhere. So it has 3 speeds, it's quiet, they say, lightweight and portable, cools, humidifies and purifies. So it sucks in hot and dry air and it gives out cool, moist air. It also has built-in LED. That's what we want in every product. Built-in LEDs. I have a knife, but I'm too lazy to get it. Okay, I'm gonna get a knife. Just look how happy these people are. She's doing her hair while all the air thing is blowing. Ooh, that's... Get the best coverage by placing on a raised surface like table. Blah, blah, blah. Wait 3 minutes to allow water to absorb and to filter. Right, so we get a manual, we get a power brick, and again it's UK, which is always very nice because I'm not from the UK. So what do we get? A regular USB, micro USB cable, as per usual. Pretty long micro USB cable if you ask me, so that's very good, that's very nice. I have to say, out of the box, straight out of the box, my first impression is it's plasticky, as you can see, but yeah. So I'm assuming that this is going to be the water reservoir. And then you have the buttons on the top, so the fan speed and the LED lights. This is the power button. You have the filter on the inside, which filters the bad air. I've seen some reviews where the water leaks out if it's not on a flat surface. It's on a flat surface, so it shouldn't be able to leak out, I hope. This is like one of the first times the cable included in the box is long enough. So I have some water over here. Let's pour some water in here. It's pretty hot already. Right, so it almost fills, I think, half a liter or something. It's actually a lot. And no water came out yet. So that's good. Alright. It immediately has power. Does it have LED lights? It does. It does have LED lights on the sides. I don't know if you can see that a little bit. Oh yeah, it lights up the water, as you can see. That's pretty cool. So you can see how much water is still left in the tank via the LED lights. So now it's on full fastness. And they said it was quiet, but I'm pretty sure I would not use this while making a video. So you can change the direction by going up or down over here. It is actually blowing cold air out. So this is sucking air in, as I can feel. It doesn't blow that fast, in my opinion. It did not spill any water yet, so that's good. It is party time! So the LED lights are pretty bright, but I think if I'm right, the water level was over here just a minute ago, and it's already like, if that is true, I'm really not sure, because I thought, yeah, it really went down pretty fast, because I'm pretty sure that I filled it almost completely to here. And now it's already almost at the bottom, so you can see the 2 LED lights over here. But I have to say, yes, indeed, it takes a while before everything gets into place. So before the filter is probably completely wet, I think, to get the fresh cold air out. This is almost a half-liter bottle. I drank a little bit from it, so it's not a complete half-liter. And I've been using this for around 7 to 8 minutes, so the water is going away very fast. It's on the maximum speed as well. They also recommend running Arctic air on high mode for at least 5 minutes before powering off to allow for drying. So I actually did it wrong. I had to wait 3 minutes before the water could sink into the filter. Of course, I'm guessing that it used a lot of the water just to get the filter a little bit moist, and that's probably why all the water was used up so quickly, because right now it still stays on this level for a pretty long period already. So yeah, I have to be honest and say that it does blow cold air. That's really not a problem. What the problem or a little bit the issue is that it's small, and it also only has one way to blow, up or down or in the middle, not left or right. So you have to stay in front of it, which is not a very big issue, of course. Besides that, this will only cool down a very small part of the room, or a very small room in that case. Maybe when you're in your office and you're on your desk, for example, you put this over here. This will definitely cool you down if you just put this on the sides and put it a bit to the top, for example, like this. And you're working, this will cool you down. This is cool air. This is not just air that it's taking in and blowing at you, at your face like a ventilator, which is very bad for you. This is actually cool air, and this works. So that's pretty impressive and pretty cool. This won't cool you down when it's like 40 degrees. You'll get a bit cooled down like I am right now, but when I'm out of the cool zone for around 2 minutes, I'll get hot again. So it's not like this is the lifesaver. It is, however, pretty cool because I have to say, in my room, when I use all these lights over here, it gets amazingly hot. I sleep at the top of my house, and in the summer, yeah, it's smoking hot in here, and it's not because of me, it's because of the weather. And this can be very useful because right now I have to say the temperature right now is okay. It was hot before. After using this for around, I think it's 10 minutes right now. It's doable. It's not like it's extremely hot right now. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I have to say, when I'm over here, yeah, it cools my space. So this space around my table, it cools it down a lot. But everywhere further than around 2 or 3 meters, it won't cool it down. But overall, yeah, it's pretty cool. I would say if you're a bit in my situation where you live under the roof and where you are in a room where it's 30 degrees and you stay at one location, for example at your desk for studying or for working or for editing or for anything else, then this is a pretty cool device to have. It's a pretty cool gadget as well, and it really does the job. I've seen a lot of bad reviews on this, and I was a bit hesitant because I thought that this will be a pretty bad product because there are a lot of bad reviews, but it really is not that bad of a product that people say. Some people might have had problems with this, and I'm probably going to have problems with this maybe as well in the future. I don't know, but right now I have to say, yeah, no real issue with this. It works, it's pretty good, and pretty impressed as well by the fact that it's blowing all that cold air at me, and like it was plug and play, just put the water in there, put it on, and it works. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, but I would say if you have any questions regarding the Arctic air, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very, very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.